How to install Fortnite on your Android device. To install Fortnite on your Android device, follow these steps. Firstly, on your device, open any of your preferred web browser. After opening the web browser you like, click on the search bar on the top. Now on the search bar, go to this specific address. Type in www.epicgames.com/Fortnite. After that, search for it and you will land to Fortnite.com. On this page, at the very top right corner, you will see the option Install. You can even scroll down and check this website. Firstly, you will need to download Epic Games, and after that, on Epic Games, you will need to search for Fortnite and download it. Now here, click on the option Download Now. After that, you will land to another interface. On the other interface, you will see a menu like this. On this menu, click on the option Download Anyway. After you click on Download Anyway, it will start downloading. On this interface, you can even see the process of how to download Fortnite on Epic Games Store. Firstly, click on Download Anyway and open the downloaded file. Then enable the Installing Unknown Apps option. After that, install the Epic Games Store on your device and open it. The Epic Games Store is just like Google Play Store. There you can search for Fortnite and install it. So that is it for this video. I will see you on the next one. Thank you.